In this video, we're going to be going over lookup tables, or LUTs for short. A lookup table can be applied within OBS Studio if you're wanting to try and improve the image quality of your webcam, or possibly you're wanting to change the ambiance of your stream. I'll have a link down below in the description, that way you can download some LUTs, then we can go ahead and show you just how to actually apply it within OBS Studio. So let's go ahead, let's get right to it. Okay, cool. Now that you've downloaded them, let's go over how you can actually apply it within OBS Studio. If you right-click your video source, you can go to Filters, and you can click the plus, Apply LUT. Name it what you want, click OK. Now browse to where your LUT's located. OBS will generally open up to its own little default folder right there, but I have mine located elsewhere. Like that. First, we'll do the preset 1. As you're seeing, as I've changed that, the colors look a little bit better on here. If I get rid of it, they look a little dull. If I do that, colors seem to pop. Let me show you another one. So let's go here. This one tries to sort of imitate an actual movie or something like that. So that's after. This is before. After, before. Now, it's also good to note I still have some form of color correction applied here. So this is what it looks like without color correction. This is what it looks like with color correction. So that was pretty easy, right? Probably the hardest part is just using Google to go through and try and find a free LUT, or maybe just to purchase some. If you have any issues, any questions with this, please let us know. Just leave a comment down below and we'll be there for you.